Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I wanted to just pop on and make a really quick video about things that are going on in this time-space reality. And I think, we're in such an intense, energetical period, and there are four things that I just want to touch upon that are really pivotal for your goodness, where you're feeling goodness at this time, and it all kind of ties in. I don't know if you've seen the recent videos that I've posted about ascension and physical symptoms. So a lot of it has to do with ascension, and what exactly is that? It's the raising of your vibration and frequency. Do look that up. I'm not going to get into that here, but ultimately what I want to talk about is the feelings that are going on right now, the ups, the downs, the things that you've dealt with that you thought, the things that you thought were in the past that you had dealt with might be coming back up right now. Or on the converse, you're in this absolute state of bliss and walking on clouds, and maybe a bit of both. In any case, I think what I would really love to say is that the most important things at this time, and I'm talking like between now and the spring equinox on the 20th, which is the Wednesday, 20th of March, incredible stuff is happening if you so choose. And how to allow the incredible stuff to happen is to, first of all, just surrender to, like, stop trying to control situations and life and people and whatever, and just be true to you. So I think that the most important thing is being honest with yourself about any situation that you're in. And do you really want to be there? Do you really want to be sat across from that person or whatever? So it's okay to feel bad as long as you recognize it. And part of feeling amazing is the awareness that actually I feel like shit right now, and being honest about that, because you know there are universal laws at play that I've talked about in past videos, that we get what we focus our attention on. So you know, if you're pretending to be okay and telling others that you are, then you're going to get that pretension back and just really feel like rubbish. So even if, you know, if I asked you how you're doing and you said, well, do you know what, I really feel like shit. Just in that being honest, you are helping yourself starting to feel better already. So please be honest with, first of all, you and how you're feeling. Your emotions and your body are your greatest tools in moving forward and feeling better. But you've got to pay attention. You've got to listen to what's going on inside. So bodies and emotion, and then I mean, all of these are interwoven, all of them are tied in together. So the next thing is oh gosh, judgment. You know, if you are feeling like crap, what's going to keep you there longer is you judging yourself. For whatever it is, you know, and judgment can be such a small thing. It can be looking in the mirror and going, oh, my hair looks like shit today, or you know, or just a simple thing like I feel fat, or something, oh man, you know, that food that I cooked, it really doesn't taste good. All of that is judgment, and I know it seems so small, but you can flip that around and choose to think something that is more positive. So so please do that, or don't even do anything. Just catch yourself in little pockets of judgment and just see them to begin with, and then eventually you'll transcend. You'll just start to walk through them, and yeah, judge less. And the biggest key here is we're talking about you. I mean, yeah, we all judge each other and whatever, and eventually stop doing that, but or you do that way less, but it does start with you. I mean, that's where judgment comes from, and we are our own worst critics, and no one can judge us as harshly as we judge ourselves. So get on top of that. All right. The other thing I want to talk about is forgiveness. again, such a big deal. We're not talking about forgiving other people. It's about yourself. I recently recorded an audio. It was something that I had read, something that I had come across by a woman, a beautiful, really lovely angel herself, named Rona Herman, and she channels Archangel Michael. This was a beautiful message which touched me so much about forgiveness. And you know, so it's basically an exercise in forgiveness, or a mantra, a prayer, whatever you want to call it. And there's 3 stages to it. First you forgive yourself, then you forgive others, and then it's calling in the angels of forgiveness to permeate all facets of your being with sacred love. It's beautiful, it's short. You can find it in one of I did it about a month ago, really quick, and it's kind of a follow me, so you can just follow me. And it's made a huge impact in my own personal life. Honestly, like, this seems like such simple stuff, but when you're out of practice with mindfulness, it's so easy to get caught back up into the sort of programs and the systems that are around us that kind of keep us numb from ourselves. Anyhow, getting there. So we've covered emotions in the body, non-judgment, forgiveness, and then love. Yes, an overrated word, and you'll find it strewn, kind of sprinkled throughout. Well, it is sprinkled throughout all my messages. We are love. I am love. You are love. And when we're good to ourselves, we are in the state of love. What does that mean? What does it mean to you? I think the most important thing is, you know, if you wake up with the intention of feeling good, everything else just falls into place. So that's it for now. That's all I want to say. Do go back into my older videos and see if something resonates. There's so much going on in the world right now. And what's most important is what's going on in the world inside of you. So God bless you. Thank you for watching, and be ever so gentle with yourself first, because when you are easy and gentle on you, everyone else is going to be a benefactor of that. I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.